Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video we continue southbound on Interstate 65 beginning at exit 46, Columbia Chapel Hill in Murray County. We see a few raindrops, and that'll get worse in the next video before it gets better. We enter Marshall County, which has an estimated population of 31,915. In 1825, citizens from Bedford, Lincoln, Giles, and Murray County petitioned the General Assembly of Tennessee to form a new county from portions of the aforementioned. These citizens argued that their respective courthouses were too far away for convenience. It was not, however, until February 20th, 1836 that the Tennessee legislature actually acted upon the petition. The new county took the name Marshall after the Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court, John Marshall. 3 Tennessee governors, Buford Ellington, Henry Hollis Horton, and Jim Nance McCord, lived in Marshall County at the time of their run for governor. Marshall County is the home of the Tennessee Walking Horse Breeders and Exhibitors Association. Another native of Marshall County is the fainting goat, a domestic goat that temporarily seizes when it is startled or feels panic. To celebrate this unique breed, the county holds an annual festival known as Goats, Music, and More, drawing visitors from around the world. We enter the lower Elk River watershed. The Elk River is a tributary of the Tennessee River in Tennessee and Alabama. The river is about 195 miles long. We end today's drive at exit 22, which is US Highway 31 alternate leading to the towns of Pulaski and Lawrenceburg to the west. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.